Hey, bud. He's hot. I had to drag him on the wet grass because he was tired of running. I made him run and run and run. Well, this old boy, watch out, bud. I got tired and he decided to just keep on being a little baby. This dog is rotten. I tell you, rotten. Truck got a little warm. I put it in manual mode and I was tap shifting. And we didn't get hot, we didn't get any lights, but temperature got up there. Well, pretty close to the red area. So I decided, we parked, we walked, and then at the same time letting the truck cool off. And I believe the rest of these Tennessee mountains, I'm gonna let the computer decide unless it can't decide what gear to go in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna check the load real quick. It's really awesome load, really. Got us a bus load. One thing I can't do well is be a passenger. Because to be a passenger, I get nauseous. I think it's more anxiety than anything. Where a guy would just not have control. You can tell I always have control. But yeah, so that's the load. I'm happy with the chains. Everything settled in. Everything looks great. So I believe we're done. Oh, that's the air. Oh, they moved the coolant crap over here. Well, I got that line. Nothing feels extremely hot. It was smelly earlier. It's the first time this engine has gotten really warm. So I just wanted to be careful. Yeah, I don't feel that crazy abnormal heat no more. And I don't smell that hot smell. So I'm glad I pulled over when I did, and we'll just not take over because this truck will do it. So I was surprised. I didn't know I could take over and make it go. So we're not going to make it go. We're going to let the truck shift on its own until it gets to that shift down, shift up, shift down. It can't decide. But pretty happy with this PACCAR. They're an economy engine, so they burn oil a little bit, but they get better fuel mileage. It's a fleet truck. But yeah. Mac, you gonna say bye-bye? Huh? No. He's like, when you getting in here? Mackie boy. Well, thanks for watching the video. Bearded Trucker is out. Thanks for watching TV. Ball.